Hello, this is Ari. Today we're going to be talking about caimans. Yep, that's right, the dwarf caiman. If we see inside this ocean, there are lots of caimans here. So many that there barely are any fish. All of them are dead on the sea's top. So back to Ari. Today we're going to be showing you this caiman who just doesn't want to be with his friends. He's a little bit far away, but yeah, he does not want his friends around him. If we go close here, he's not here. Where could he be? There's loads of room in here, but he is not here. Where he is here. He has just made it across the whole pathway of this whole village. He doesn't want to be with his friends. The weirdest thing about it is caimans are endangered, and they normally are in groups. So, wouldn't it make sense if he joined his group? He would be more powerful. Let's get out of his way. Let's read some facts. So, get out the book. Caimans are actually nocturnal mobs, so that means they mainly go out in night, and they also are relatives to crocodiles. Obviously, you can see his face, and if I showed you a picture of a crocodile, yeah, they look so similar. Yeah, he's walking like a weird walking animation. They are actually endangered, and yeah, they have powerful bites. They walk quite a bit faster than normal crocodiles. So if we see him now, and if we spawned in, let's say /spawn, /spawn, if we spawned in, for example, a fish, he would instantly go after the fish. So I'm going to get a random fish from my inventory. I'll say sport. So yeah. So if I said he's so hungry right now, he'll come out of here. Let's get a little bit closer to him. Oh look, he's disappeared. He must be around this corridor, isn't he? Yep, he is here. If we spawned a fish on him, so if we came here and literally went, oh look, he's not hungry. But I was demonstrating, if he was so hungry, he would literally devour it. He's going for the other fish. He's actually going, wait. Yeah, he's not interested. So if we do something with him, so we take away this fish, yeah, this is when he might be aggressive. So I'm gonna literally keep this camera here, gonna turn this on, and then he might just go chasing for me the millisecond he sees me. So he's staring at me, he's going around the corner. Maybe, wait, is he? Yep, he's coming back fast. Okay, let's approach him. Oh no. Oh, look at this. An animal master versus a caiman. I come close contact with him. He's not attacking. He feels calm and peaceful. But the other caimans aren't like that. If I showed you what another caiman was, go back into game mode. go round the corner. Yeah, you're in for a treat. If I showed you, if I got a caiman, so get a caiman egg, and go, oops. Yep, they are now following each other, and they're going in the same way. So, that proves caimans are together. So, they're better as a group. They sometimes go out of the water, very rarely. And yeah, that's our second video of the series. This video was suggested by Leo because he really enjoys caimans and all of that stuff. Yeah, subscribe to Leo, subscribe to Harry Mo, subscribe to everyone I know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and goodbye. We also have a fact from Leo. Caimans are actually related to dinosaurs. They've came all the way from the dinosaur era, and they also are quite fast. These creatures are Leo's favourite because they came from the dinosaurs and they look like dinosaurs. They also originated from velociraptors, and these babies are really small for their age. And that was it. Those were Leo's facts, and yeah, those were the caimans.